In this video, we're in Harbour Island where we meet up with my friend on his super yacht, and we have a big announcement about Croatia. We had a great time on one of the prettiest beaches in all the Bahamas, as well as cruising out to some beautiful sandbars. I give you a brief tour of my friend's boat, and then shenanigans ensue that evening. We started the morning in Spanish swells and then sailed about 10 miles through a tight passage known as the Devil's Backbone over to Harbour Island. We dropped anchor at a nice spot at Harbour Island. My first chore was to get the dinghy ready so we could go ashore and do some exploring. The hardest part is getting the 85-pound motor on the dinghy. With the dinghy set, we were ready to move over to my friend's 97-foot Horizon at Remora Bay. All right, so we have some big news. Where are we going this summer?
We're going to Europe!
That's right. Where are we going in Europe?
We're going to Croatia.
Yeah, we're going to go sailing in Italy first, and then we're going to Croatia, and we're actually hosting a flotilla in Croatia.
So you can come with us.
Yeah, we want you guys to come with us. So the way it works is you can either do your whole boat, and I think the monohulls go from about $8,000 for the week, 4 or 5 cabins, and then the catamarans are around $12,000, $13,000 for the week, and they're 4 or 5 cabins. And so, per couple, that's only, a couple $1,000, $2,000 or $3,000 per couple. But if you can't fill a whole boat, you can do it by the cabin, and that comes with a professional captain included with your price. And those cabins range from $3,000 to $5,000 for, depending if you want like a smaller cabin or a bigger cabin. They have a $3,000, $4,000, and $5,000 another cabin. There's only 5 cabins left. We've already sold out. I think it's 3 full boats, and then we've sold out like almost 2 full like by the cabin boats, and we've one more boat by the cabin, plus then there's 1 cabin left, so it's a lot of fun. But you've done a couple now, Flotillas.
Oh yeah, I did the BVI and the Abacos. They were both really fun.
Yeah, so it's a lot of fun. It's a nice, easy way to get into sailing. We'd love to see you there. It's a lot of fun. There's a link down in the description. You can make an inquiry about either doing it by the cabin or the whole boat. If you're doing it by the whole boat, you do need some kind of captain's certificate, like ASA 104 or the equivalent in Europe. If you're doing it by the cabin, like I said, you have a captain included in the price. All right, well, we'd love to see you guys there. We're gonna go have some fun.
All right, let's go. We'll see you in Croatia.
Yep. All right, we're about to head over to my friend Bob's boat. He's got like a 100-foot Horizon. I'm gonna go chill out over there. I don't exactly know what's gonna happen, so just gonna bring my phone in case something does happen. I don't know. I don't really like showing up with a camera at people's places unless they know what's coming or expecting it or whatever, so yeah, we'll see what happens. It was a short ride over, and we used Bob's boat as a dinghy dock. He already had a few guests over, so it was a nice party headed to dinner. We rented a 6-person golf cart, so it was off to dinner. There's probably the most restaurants and bars on any island in the Bahamas I've seen. But they are pretty spread out, so it's nice to have a golf cart. Cheers, guys. Cheers. After dinner, we headed out for some late night drinks, probably a few too many.
had a camera in your hand.
Well, I'm dragging a little today. I don't feel so hot today.
I mean, I don't feel great either, but that happens to me every month. So.
Okay. Well.
You're welcome, guys.
All right, but so what we're doing now, that's the only one on right now, is we are going to get ready to go over to Bob's at the other boat, and then we got reservations for some beach chairs and stuff on the beach.
And are you ready to go to the beach, or do you still feel too shitty?
I feel very shitty, but I'm going to power through it.
Excellent. You guys heard it here first. He's going to power through it. I think we're going to head out, and any other last words?
Make like a fetus.
Head out first.
Yep.
What do y'all think?
The correct answer is, I always think you look amazing.
That's the he thinks that's the correct answer. It's never what I'm looking for, but he...
Like I would ever say, man, not today.
No, that's what I want, for real, for real.
Her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining.
Yep, I think she always looks beautiful.
Without her trying. She's so beautiful.
We were meeting at my friend's boat for a beach day.
Tell her every day. Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you doing, Marina?
Oh! How cute.
We got somebody here.
Let's go. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a
It was back down the dock to the golf cart.
I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile,
It was a short ride to a beautiful pink sand beach.
stares for a while, 'cause girl, you're amazing, just the
The contrast of the pink sand and the turquoise water was absolutely gorgeous.
Her lips, I could kiss them all day if she'd let me.
Horses on the beach.
Like a little dog barking at him.
She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day.
Horses on the beach were gorgeous, but they do tend to drop some landmines.
Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I'll say.
You found a new one?
I did. I have a new friend. So sweet. So docile.
Oh, sorry.
There's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile,
So how was your beach day?
It was so good. It was refreshing. Like, hang out with friends. We never get to do that. That was my favorite part. Look at this view. How could I not absolutely love it? I thought the bar was kind of nice too.
Yeah.
We had a lovely little lunch.
Yeah, I filmed a little balcony, but I didn't really film anything else there, so I don't know, maybe I'll pop that over that. But all right, so now we're gonna go back to the boat, get cleaned up, and do cocktails and dinner on the boat.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go.
when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are.
Good morning. What? Like, I don't know what to say. Good morning. Do you want me to tell them what we're doing?
Yeah, what are we doing?
I think we're gonna go to lunch. We haven't eaten today, so we're gonna go. I don't know. I just want to walk around. I want to like get some movement in and maybe
All right,
get
well,
a bite.
yeah, I'm starving. We haven't eaten all day. I've been working all morning. Got another podcast out. You should check it out if you haven't checked out our podcast, wherever you get your audio or video podcasts.
Yeah.
All right.
Nice job. You've been so productive this morning.
Yep, got a lot done. So, all right, let's get moving.
Alrighty.
One thing that it's primarily a Bahamas thing, I think. I don't know. I mean, I've cruised around a lot of places. Is that the locals really don't care about the no wake zones here. Like, they'll come screaming right through here in one of their center consoles, you know, making a huge wake. I mean, I get it. It slows them down and they're borking, right? They're trying to make money, and going slow costs them money, but I don't know. I wouldn't do it. Whatever. All right, let's go into town and find something to do.
We were doing our own thing for lunch that day, but we still headed over to my friend Bob's boat to use it as a dock to head into town.
I don't know, walk around, find some lunch.
Yeah, it sounds like Valentine's or
Yeah.
the Dunmore are really good spots.
Yeah, I think Valentine's is the
Lake.
next dock over, so it should be pretty close.
Well, let's do that then.
All right.
It was about a 20-minute walk, but after being cooped up on the boat all morning, it was nice to stretch our legs. We headed over to Valentine's Marina for lunch.
All right, how was your lunch?
It was good. I don't know. The food there is pretty good.
It was all right.
The chicken sandwich. I mean, the service was fast.
Yeah. Go back by the boat. I think we might be going to like see a sandbar or something. Oh gosh. Have a nice
These
trip.
pants like have tripped me so many times. Yeah, that's what it sounded like.
All right.
Sandbar, sand. Why did they say sand dollar though?
I
It's
don't
a
know.
sand dollar thing.
We'll make sure you get back in one piece. Maybe.
All right.
All right. Let's
I'll
go.
try.
Dinghy over to Bob's boat, and then we'll ride. And he's got a big, nice high field, 560, so it'll be 5.6 meters. That's like 17, 18 feet. Should be ripping.
He has a nice high field with a center console. I'm looking forward to getting mine with the new boat. We loaded up in the high field to head to the Sandbar.
She has it so rough.
Baby, don't stop. I'm falling even faster now. Beneath the North Star, all things that glow in the dark.
We dropped anchor at the Sandbar to get in the water.
In the deep lies the pond of disclosure.
The really sweet Labrador named Marina was ready to play.
With tears in my eyes, I hold on to the fire inside. I'm getting close to the side where I can see what's behind. Oh, the shroud of my life. The shroud of my life.
Don't want to, but
Oh, it's not that bad, you big baby.
it seems cold.
The water was about 75 degrees, which to me is a little chilly.
Everybody's on a mission to find sand dollars, I believe.
Don't know if I dare to follow through.
There was a curious turtle, but he wouldn't let us get too close.
Bye, turtle. It's fun while it lasted. He did not want to be my friend.
All right.
With tears in my eyes, I hold on to the fire.
Running on the beach, that's really hot, right? I'm gonna jump in your arms. You have to spin me around when I leap. It kind of worked. It's not as romantic as I thought it would be. Just koala bearing you. Okay, now you run and jump into my arms. Okay. Oh god, no wait! I hit the red button on accident.
After the Sandbar, we headed back to our boat.
Oh hey, there's just getting ready to go to sushi. Apparently this is the best sushi.
Not gonna bring this with us, might shoot some stuff with the phone. But yeah, we're gonna go over, watch sunset, have cocktails on my friend's boat, and then Bob's boat, and then go to dinner. Give you a little walk through here of Bob's boat. It's a 97-foot horizon, so pretty nice.
This is the salon, and forward to that, the dining room, and of course there's a bar. Heading forward into the galley and the bridge. Upstairs is where the party happens. Of course, there's another bar and a hot tub. It's a really great place to hang out with friends. After cocktails at sunset, it was time to load up in the golf cart. It was a short drive to a really nice sushi spot. Not too many islands in the Bahamas can say they have a sushi restaurant. After dinner, it was over to Gusty's for the real party. Unfortunately, the whole island had been out of gasoline for about a week.
Best night of my life.
So the cart ran out of gas.
So we ran out of gas on the way home, and yeah.
We were stranded about 1.5 miles from the boat without any gas. Luckily, Bob's crew brought us a dinghy gas can, and we were back in business. If you're enjoying the premium music used in these videos, please consider becoming a patron to help us pay for the royalties. I've decided to spin off my boat tour videos to another channel, so if you're interested in those, please check out Boat Tour Tuesday on YouTube. There's a link in the description.